This lesson is all about a daily travel inspiration exercise that you can do. And by exercise, I mean an activity, not like physical activity exercise. This is taken from a mindset practice that my business coach taught me that is from somebody else. The name escapes me, but it's called the 333 exercise. It might even be listed in here. So practice this mindfulness exercise each day to inspire you to take action on your hopes, dreams, and goals. It's called 333. So the first thing you're going to do is name 3 past travel experiences you've enjoyed. Name 3 future travel experiences you want to enjoy. And name 3 things you can do today to get closer to making that dream come true. The original exercise, if you're curious, is 3 things I'm grateful for, 3 things I want to accomplish today, or like 3 things I want, and it's like 3 things I'm going to do today to get those things. So that's on like a very, very small scale of like literally day to day. Whereas this travel one, you might not be able to do 3 things every single day to make a future travel plan happen. But there's little things you can do. You can, make a Pinterest board to get some ideas. You can make your vision board, all kinds of different stuff. So this is something that you can do every time you are like you want to go somewhere, but you can't really think of like what you want to do. It's like the dead of winter where you are. Maybe this is a good exercise to kind of get excited about traveling again.